guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy. In case you are new here to my channel, welcome. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I'm going to be creating this eye makeup look. I think berry colors and dark lips just really represent fall makeup, so that's what I wanted to do today, and what better way to do it than using the new Picante palette by Karity Cosmetics. This palette just launched yesterday, and it has 21 warm and vibrant eyeshadows. This is what she looks like on the inside. So pretty. This is not only a fall palette, but you can definitely use it for summer. These here are all the shimmer eyeshadows that are in this palette. I'm going to go ahead and just start naming off these eyeshadows. This one here is called Flora. This is Fearless. This is Embers. This is Bronzed. This is Mornin'. This is Sunrise. This is Fuego. This is Haley. This is Fahrenheit. This is Passion. And this is Sass. I'm definitely not the best at swatching eyeshadows, but let's go ahead and show you guys. This color here is called Delia. This is Dune. This is Pimento. This is Bobby. This is Harvest. This is Flamenco. This is Spicy. Epis, I think. Epis. I don't know how to pronounce that. Aish. Aish. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm going to go ahead and name them up here. And this is Bittersweet. Okay guys, and those are the eyeshadows that are in this palette. This is such a beautiful palette. I didn't even want to use it because it's so freaking pretty, but I did. And I just wanted to share with you guys how you guys can put this palette to use. This is a look that I created. It's like cranberry-ish colors. So if you want to see how I came about this look, then just keep watching.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Okay guys, so I'm going to start off by applying some of this Scotch tape. I picked it up from Target. And I want to make sure that there's like a little bit of area right here from the corner of my eye to the tape, so that I can go ahead and apply some eyeshadow down here and it kind of goes together with whatever I'm applying on my eye. I don't know if that makes sense, but it will make sense as soon as I start doing it. I'm going to be using the Karity Pre-Shadow Long Lasting Anti-Crease Primer and just applying that to the lid. Blending that in with a little beauty blender. I'm going to take the color Aish, I guess that's how you say it. And I'm going to be using that color as my transition color. This is an eyeshadow that is definitely buildable. The first time you apply it, it can appear really light, as you guys were able to tell. But as you continue to build on the color, it does become more intense. I can definitely take it more as an intense color, but I want to keep it as a transition color because I'm going to be darkening up this look quite a bit more. The next color that I'm going to use is this one here called Flamenco. I'm going to use the same exact brush that I used for my transition and just kind of put it right at my crease. I'm not going to take it up to the brow bone like I did to the previous color. So I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is a painting brush that I picked up from Michael's craft store. And I feel like it's perfect for cutting creases or even doing like the halo eye that I'm about to do right now. You guys can tell I have the shape of my eyeball right here. That's where I want to apply the center of the halo eye. So just kind of lift your eyebrow a little bit with some attitude. Like that. So once you open your eye, you can kind of see that this side is higher, so go back in and fix it if you have to. Okay, so the color that I'm going to be applying at the center is this one here called Sass. Do you guys remember when my Instagram and my YouTube name used to be Below 5 with Sass? Well, that's why I'm going to use this one. So I've already applied some of this Tarte Skin Mist to this little tiny brush here that you guys see. And just dipping into the color Sass, I'm gonna start applying it at the very top here. Once you have done that, just go ahead and apply it to the rest of the lid. I feel like it looks more intense when you grab it with your fingers, so once you've got the top part, go ahead and just dab it on. Next to the color Sass, I'm going to be applying this one here, Passion. With the same brush that I used for the color Sass, I'm just going to turn it over to this other side of the brush and just apply it to the outer edges of that halo. If you want to go in there with your finger, go ahead. I feel like it really intensifies it, but first apply it with the brush so you kind of get that blend between those two colors. For the outer corners, I'm going to be taking this color Bittersweet. For a halo look, I think it's really important that you do have an angled brush. I'm going to be using this Karity brush, and this is the E27. And just tapping it on this outside part. This same color Bittersweet that I used at the outer corners, I'm going to bring it down here. Alright. I'm going to be using a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to be taking the color Ice once again, and I just really want to diffuse this little line here. And it doesn't matter how messy it gets because we're going to clean it up with concealer. I really like how thick this mascara makes my eyelashes look, and I love how it's also really buildable. What I don't like is when it does dry up, it can start flaking. It's hard for me to find like a mascara that actually like makes my eyelashes a lot thicker. And you guys can see the difference between both of my eyelashes. Alright, so now that I did this eye, I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, apply the rest of my face, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so now that you guys seen how I came about this look, I want to talk to you guys about performance. So far I've played with this palette maybe twice. This palette just launched yesterday, so I did create a look yesterday that you guys might have seen on my Instagram. So this is my second time playing with the eyeshadows. I think Karity is not a brand that a lot of people talk about, and I think that a lot more people should talk about it because it's so inexpensive. This palette is only $19.99 and you get all of those eyeshadows that you guys just seen. They are easy to blend, they're really pigmented. I had no issues whatsoever with it. I think that if you guys try it out, you guys will know what I'm talking about. If you did make it this far into the video, I did want to mention that I'm going to have a small little tiny giveaway tomorrow. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my face makeup, my foundation, my concealer, my whatever powder I used. And I'll be giving something away in that video, so be sure that you stick around and turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on that video. I hope that you guys did like this fall makeup tutorial. If you did, be sure to give my video a thumbs up. Remember that giving my video a thumbs up helps my video get out there and be seen by other people, so I really appreciate your guys' support, very much so, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!